Hello and welcome to this Easter special math video. In this fun and festive math video, we'll solve linear equations in one variable through colorful Easter themed word problems featuring bunnies, chicks and of course lot of Easter eggs. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Let us quickly recall what we have learned so far in our two algebra videos along with weekly test paper 9 and 10. You will find the links to those videos in the description below. Do check them out if you have missed them. Based on what we have already done, we will now learn how to frame algebraic expressions, a very important step before we move on to solving linear equations. The first question is, Sam has X red colored eggs and Toby has 5 more red colored eggs than Sam. How many red eggs does Toby have in terms of X? Your timer starts now. Yes, the answer is X plus 5 eggs. Now the second question is, if there were Y multicolored eggs in a nest and 3 were removed, the number of eggs left? A very easy question. Yes, the answer is Y minus 3 eggs. Let the price of each golden color egg be P. The price of each silver colored egg is 10 less than the price of a golden colored egg. Express the price of a silver colored egg in terms of P. Yes, the answer is P minus 10. Very good. Now the last question. Let the number of eggs in John's basket be X. The number of eggs in Thomas' basket is 3 times the number of eggs in John's basket. Express the number of eggs in Thomas' basket in terms of X. 3x is the correct answer. Before we start solving linear equations, it is very important to know certain basic things. First of all, what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement which shows that two expressions are equal, having one or more variables. In an equation, one expression is on the left and one on the right with an equal sign in between. For example, x plus 2 is equal to 5. X plus 2 is the left hand side, which we also call as LHS, and 5 is on the right, which also we call as RHS. So in an equation, LHS is equal to RHS. The LHS of an equation is equal to its RHS only for a definite value of the variable in the equation. Now here in this particular equation, x plus 2 is equal to 5, x is 3. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This value is called the solution of the equation because this definite value satisfies the equation. So to solve an equation means to find the value of the variable. What do you mean by a linear equation? An equation in which the highest power of the variables involved is 1 is called a linear equation. For example, 3 times 5x minus 7 minus x minus 4 is equal to 9. Here the variable is x and the power of x is 1. Therefore, this is a linear equation in one variable. There are different methods of solving linear equations. First is trial and error method. Now this method is very time consuming, so we will begin today with the systematic method using a balance. As you all know that equations are often compared with a weighing balance. The two sides of an equation are the two pans, and the equality sign tells us that the two pans are in balance. Now let us try to understand this by using a weighing balance. Consider a weighing balance with a bag and an egg on the left hand side, and on the right hand side there are 5 eggs whose combined weight helps to maintain the balance. That is, weight on one side, that is weight on left hand side, is equal to weight on the right hand side. To find the weight of the bag in terms of eggs, we remove one egg placed on left side. But what happens? That disturbs the balance. So to maintain the balance, we have to remove an equal quantity, that is 1 egg, from the right side. So by doing like this, we find that the bag gets balanced with 4 eggs. An equation is like a balance. Let us find out what number makes both sides equal. In algebra, we can express this as an equation with a variable x or any other variable. So the equation will become x plus 1 is equal to 5. So by removing 1 from each side, it becomes x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 1. Here 1 is the egg that you have removed. So we get here x is equal to 4. And this is called solving by balancing the equation. Now let us solve some word problems. The first one is Easter egg basket. Easter bunny fills the baskets with eggs such that each basket contains 5 eggs plus 7 eggs. If one basket contains 37 eggs, what is the value of x? So, first of all, we have to frame the equation based on the given information. So 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. Step 1. Subtract 7 from both sides for balancing the equation. So 5x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 37 minus 7, which gives you 5x is equal to 30. Now dividing both sides by 5, we get x is equal to 6. So the value of x is 6. Now let us do the second problem on Easter race. During an Easter race, the bunny's speed is 15 meters per second more than the chick speed. If the chick speed is represented by x meters per second and the combined speed of the chick and the bunny is 49 meters per second, what is the speed of each? Now here you are given 3 things. Chick speed is x meters per second, bunny's speed is 15 meters per second more than the chick's, so it becomes x plus 15. And the total speed is also given 49 meters per second. So according to the given condition, x plus 15 is equal to 49. X plus x, as you know, is 2x. So we get here 2x plus 15 is equal to 49. Therefore, 2x is equal to, by removing 15 from both the sides, you are getting 2x is equal to 49 minus 15, which is equal to 34. So x is 17. Chick speed to be equal to 17 meters per second and bunny speed to be equal to 17 plus 15, which is equal to 32 meters per second. Now let us do the third problem, Easter egg hunt. At an Easter egg hunt, 4 children each collect the same number of eggs. If each child collects 3x plus 2 eggs and together they collect a total of 32 eggs, what is the value of x and how many eggs does each child collect? There are 4 children, you can see them, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the solution, since there are 4 children and we said each is collecting 3x plus 2, so according to the given condition, 4 times 3x plus 2 is equal to 32. And now by expanding the left hand side, we get 12x plus 8 is equal to 32. Now we need to balance the equation, so minus 8 from both the sides. So we get 12x is equal to 24. To find the value of x, divide both sides by 12 and we get x is equal to 2. So 3x plus 2, by substituting the value of x equal to 2, we get 8. So each child collects 8 eggs. Now the last question, chocolate weight comparison. A chocolate bunny weighs 8x plus 4 grams and a chocolate chick weighs 2x plus 28 grams. If the bunny weighs twice as much as the chick, what is the value of x and what are their weights? According to the given condition, 8x plus 4 is equal to 2 times 2x plus 28. You proceed as before by expanding the right hand side and then remove 4 from both sides and also 4x from both the sides, and we get here 8x minus 4x is equal to 56 minus 4, which gives 4x is equal to 52 and therefore x is equal to 13. So you have to substitute the value of x and you get here bunny's weight to be 108 grams and chick's weight you get to be equal to 54 grams. That's all in this video. Great job, math scholars. You have cracked the Easter egg equations. Here are 2 questions for you. Keep practicing and stay curious. More fun linear equations coming up in our next videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wishing you a joyful and exciting Easter. Goodbye and take care.